Hi, I'm here at Cafe Manji Versova, and with me here is Chef Krishna. He's going to give us tips on how to present fish deliciously. So Chef, why do you think food presentation is so important?
Normally we chefs, whenever you go to the restaurant, you order for a food. When food comes out from the kitchen, normally the guest, he eat with the eyes first, then nose, and then he eats with his mouth. So for me, the presentation is very important. Basically, the eye appealing of that particular dish. So it makes sense when it comes to the platter, the importance of that dish. Today I'll show you the Chilean sea bass, how to present in a 3 different manner with 3 different ingredients.
Chef, tell me, if somebody doesn't have Chilean sea bass at home, what are the other options?
You can use local fish like pomfret, you can use ravas, or you can use Bombay duck. This could be used as the alternate option for Chilean sea bass.
Oh, so any other fish that one has at home or we commonly eat here in Mumbai can be used?
Yes.
Great. And Chef, what are the 3 options that you're using to present the fish?
The basic ingredients what I am using, that is my sauce, that pomeri mustard leaf mussel sauce, and the lemon, which is common ingredients.
This looks very interesting, Chef. What have you done to the lemon?
You cut into half, then you put some sugar on top, and then you put it on a grill. So that
it's been caramelized.
Caramelized.
Excellent. Okay.
And this is mashed potato, herb flavor garlic mashed potato.
Okay.
Wilted spinach, and this is cherry tomato tossed with onion, garlic, and balsamic vinegar. So that sweet and tangy flavor which is combined together.
So these pair well with this fish.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are we going to be doing first?
I will show you how to present this fish with the wilted spinach.
Okay. So we're going to be using wilted spinach
This
first.
is tossed wilted spinach, which I'll take in one plate.
Chef, what is the reason for using spinach along with fish?
This has a lot of nutritious value, and this goes well with the fish. And the people who's food conscious about it, the spinach is a good option for that.
Okay, so spinach is a healthy option is what Chef is saying, and it pairs very well with fish in terms of flavors as well.
So on top of this, you can put this fish.
Oh, that looks nice. It's a bed of spinach, and we place the fish on top. Okay. And some sauce on top, perhaps.
Yes. You can put this 2 leaf mussels.
Oh, that looks very interesting. So apart from the wilted spinach, Chef is now going to demonstrate a second option.
This is cherry tomato, which is tossed in onion, garlic, and balsamic, which has tangy and sweet taste.
Okay.
So this could be a very good option with the fish.
Okay.
This is the base which I am using it for fish.
So it balances the flavors very well.
Yeah.
It looks colorful as well, very, very attractive indeed. So Chef, in a similar way as you place the wilted spinach, we place the cherry tomatoes and the fish.
As a base, I have just changed the base of this preparation.
Okay.
And I'm using, instead of wilted spinach, I'm using the cherry tomato.
Okay. And the rest remains the same. So we add the sauce and we add a caramelized lemon as well. There goes the sauce. And our second option with cherry tomatoes is also ready. So Chef is going to demonstrate yet another option for the fish. What is it, Chef?
This is garlic and herb flavor mashed potato, which is very easily prepared at home. You can take the mashed potato, tossed with olive oil, chopped garlic, and lots of herbs, fresh herbs.
I see.
So I will show you one more the way the presentation of these fish.
Okay, that looks very interesting. So it's just ordinary mashed potatoes, but with a little twist to that. So again it's a bed of mashed potatoes and the fish goes on
Fish
top.
goes on top.
Okay. Okay, so we have the caramelized lemon right on top and some sauce that goes along with it. So here is fish on a mashed potato bed along with some garlic and olive oil, and it looks really interesting. So that was Chef Krishna at Cafe Manji Versova showing us 3 different ways to plate fish. So keep watching India Food Network for more.